If you're looking to break into tech, level up your IT skills, or finally understand concepts like cloud computing without the confusing jargon, you're in the right place. On this channel, we simplify complex tech topics into clear, practical lessons you can actually use, whether you're a beginner or building towards certifications and a career in tech. So if that sounds like you, hit subscribe and let's get started. Rocket emoji, cloud. Episode 1, What is cloud computing? And why it matters. In this first episode, we're diving into what cloud computing really is, and more importantly, the key terms you absolutely need to understand to work in the cloud. We're not just defining cloud computing, we're also breaking down its biggest advantages. So stick around, down pointing finger emoji, bullseye emoji, episode objectives. By the end of today, you'll understand what cloud computing is, why it's so powerful, key concepts like high availability, scalability, elasticity, agility, fault tolerance, disaster recovery. Cloud emoji, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a service delivery model. These services include things like storage, files, databases, structured and unstructured data, computing power, networking, analytics tools. In the cloud, you get access to thousands of services, and you can choose almost any popular technology on the market. And storage doesn't just mean saving data, it also includes tools to move, migrate your data into the cloud. Desktop computer emoji, compute resources. Once your data is in the cloud, you'll need compute power, like Windows virtual machines, Linux servers, web containers, AI, machine learning services, reporting tools. The cloud is all about building applications, whether they're web apps, AI systems, or anything else. Networking and analytics. After setting up your components, you'll need to connect them securely. Cloud platforms provide secure networking between services, connectivity between your company and the cloud, and since everything runs in the cloud, you also get analytics tools, performance monitoring, telemetry data. So what makes it cloud? All of these services are delivered over the internet. But that alone doesn't define cloud computing, it also needs key characteristics. Gear emoji, core cloud concepts, chart with upwards trend emoji, scalability. Scalability is the ability to increase or decrease resources. There are two types. 1. Vertical scaling, scaling up/down, increase power, CPU, RAM, storage, scaling up, decrease power, scaling down. 2. Horizontal scaling, scaling out/in, add more machines, scaling out, remove machines, scaling in, right pointing finger emoji. In short, scalability equals adding or removing resources when needed. Recycle emoji, elasticity. Imagine your app usage changes throughout the day. A good system should add resources when demand increases, remove them when demand drops. If this happens automatically, that's elasticity. Right pointing finger emoji, elasticity equals automatic, dynamic scaling, high voltage sign emoji, agility. In the cloud, you can create resources manually, via a dashboard, automatically, via APIs and scripts. The key difference versus traditional systems on premises takes days, weeks, or months. Cloud takes seconds or minutes. Right pointing finger emoji, agility equals the ability to respond quickly. Shield emoji, fault tolerance. Cloud services run on servers in data centers. Failures can happen, server crashes, disk failures, but cloud systems are designed so that workloads move automatically to healthy systems. Data is stored across multiple disks. Right pointing finger emoji, fault tolerance equals system keeps running despite failures. Tornado emoji, disaster recovery. Sometimes large-scale disasters happen. Earthquakes, floods, power outages, human errors. These can take down entire regions. To handle this, cloud systems use multiple copies of your app in different regions. Data replication, smart routing, like DNS. If one region fails, users are redirected automatically. Right pointing finger emoji, disaster recovery equals ability to recover from major failures. Stopwatch emoji, high availability. Availability measures uptime versus downtime. Uptime equals system is working, downtime equals system is unavailable, planned or unplanned. Examples: 99% uptime, 3.5 days downtime/year, 99.9%, 3 nines, 9 hours/year, 99.99%, 4 nines, 52 minutes/year. Right pointing finger emoji, high availability equals minimal downtime over long periods. Brain emoji, final thoughts. Not every system needs high availability. It depends on how critical it is. Many cloud services already offer high availability by default. Your job is to black check mark emoji, understand what's offered. Black check mark emoji, choose what fits your needs. Rocket emoji, what's next? After this episode, review the cheat sheet, take practice tests, reinforce your understanding. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up emoji, like, speech bubble emoji, comment, bell emoji, subscribe, outbox emoji, share with friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Waving.